Right, this will be part 2 of Deriv real account trading. We are waiting for a sale. We got the first sale, but we are hoping there will be another candle. But now, I want you to see two things. You see that long last red candle that has dropped. If we're going to have 3 candles in between that are blue, then a red drop, that will be a flag, a sell flag. But the problem is we only have 2, so we can't trust it. Number 2, this structure is almost forming a buy flag, because you see these 2 blue candles where in the last end, these 2 last blue candles, then there's the candle that is forming. If it continues going up or it produces another one which will be smaller, then it will be a flag, it will buy. But there is resistance. There's resistance, so that's what is giving us hope. So let's wait, we see how things are going. For the longest time it has been mitigating. It's not going anywhere. On the upper red candle, and our stop loss is on $45. If it reaches $45, we're closing. And then we do another analysis. So yeah, that's what we have for now. Let's hope it moves. And like I was saying before, it's hard to analyze crash and boom. It's different from real markets. Yes, it's also real markets, but not that real, you know. Different from GBP USD and Shao USD, silver. But Deriv will allow us to use small amounts. So let's see how it will go. Right, the resistance is strong. We have also had a second drop of the candle, which changes the narrative. Yeah, it really does. So you see how far it has gone in M1, which means the resistance around here. We don't know where, but around. The spirit is somewhere around here. That's where we are going to get the resistance. Yeah, so I'm going to adjust my trend lines because we have a new lower low. So the second candle for resistance will be, are you seeing the last week? That last tail of the candle. We are seeing that candle. We are going to put trend lines on the second one. That's where the range will be. Yeah, so I'll take this one, we'll put it here. The problem is soon after the drop, we have to analyze where the candles are going, which is kinda difficult. So yeah, this is now our range. Okay. So what are we seeing on this? Which structure are you seeing here? Right, the how do you call it? The buy flag we're thinking it to work has been broken, so we are now on a new level. Right, so on candlestick structures we don't have candlestick structures. So also sell flag is not there. Sell flag is not there, buy flag is not there, candlestick structures is not there. So if all that is not there, you remain with that trend. In this case, I would say it's a buy trend actually. So what would you guys think? Should we close the position? We wait for a clear side? or we let it go? Because now the second movement is like the resistance will be up. It will be very up. Because this candlestick does not have a structure. Okay, let me close. But what if I close and it drops? What is M15 saying? No clear structure. H1. H1 is still selling. H1, we're remaining with how many minutes on H1? It's not showing. H1 is giving me hope because it's still a sell candle. Right? So, yeah, if it crosses $2, I no longer have it. I no longer have power to close because you can only open a position at $2. So we are going to wait on another drop. I don't know when. Probably when it is this resistance. But that's a lot of risk then. But let's wait. We see how it goes.